Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update DataBricks Delta Lake tables with Schema merge easy tutorial step by step clearly. To update Delta Lake tables with Schema merge in DataBricks, start by opening your DataBricks workspace. Create or identify the Delta Lake table you want to update. Next, ensure you have the latest version of the Delta Lake library installed. In your notebook, import the necessary libraries for working with Delta Lake. Begin by reading the existing Delta Lake table into a data frame. Use the Spark SQL API or Data Frame API to read the table by specifying its path. Once you have the data frame, create a new data frame that includes the updated schema. Make sure this new data frame contains the additional columns you want to include. Check if the new data frame has a different schema compared to the existing one. Utilize the Merge Schema option when writing the new data frame back to the Delta table. Set the overwrite mode to ensure the existing data gets replaced with the updated schema. Execute the write operation by calling the write method on the new data frame. Specify the path of your existing Delta table during this write operation. After the write operation completes, run a command to display the schema of the updated table. This ensures that your new columns are successfully added. Finally, validate your updates by performing a query on the Delta table. You have now successfully updated your Delta Lake table with Schema merge in DataBricks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.